just comes the light. This is love, God is love, love surrounds every mountain, every stream, every flower, every tree comes from God. God is love and love surrounds from the ever-changing